Well, okay, so funny story. We got our load picked up, and we're over here on 75 North. Gonna run up through the woods. I think all the way to Kansas City we'll be in the woods. Well, I consider the woods, back roads, no interstates. I think we'll run that all the way to Kansas City, and then we get, I think it's 35, run that up to Minneapolis and hook a hard right. That's the plan. But anyway, so we're running up the interstate. I'm jibber-jabbering on the phone, and here's this alarm going beep, beep, beep. Buddy of mine said, "What is that?" I said, "That is that tire sensor, tire pressure monitoring system that we bought." Because he was with me and he bought the exact same system. He does not have his installed on the truck yet. So, I was watching to see if that bear's going to come out during. Because I'm running 45, I got the four-way flashers going. And the reason I'm running 45 is because that alarm just went off. And we were about maybe an hour into the trip. Well, maybe not an hour, maybe 35, 40 minutes into the trip. And we're just running up to 75. We're running speed limit. The alarm starts going off. I'm looking at it, and it came on. It came on at 99 psi. It started beeping, beep, beep, because I got the low pressure set at 100. So I'm watching it, and yep, it's going down, 98, 97, 96. I watched it go all the way down to 70. I'm like, okay, obviously we got a flat. She's going down. So we got off the interstate, onto the service road, pulled over, checked it. Sure enough, had a big old boat in it. I'll show you a picture. Right here's the picture. Check it out. Okay, so we got the pliers out, and we pulled that boat out of there, and because the boat was sticking up above the tread, so it was just going to keep digging and grinding and walling its way into that tire. Now, had it not had been for that system, we would have been just trucking up the road in this 96-degree heat with this loaded trailer and all the weight on them drives, and ruined a perfectly good tire. Because running 70 miles an hour at 95 to 97 degree temperatures on one that's flat, she's going to come apart on you. And if you're lucky, it'll just be that one that's flat and not get the one beside it. So we were able to stop, address the situation, assess the situation, remove the obstacle. Now the tire has zero in it because it was just going to go flat anyway. We removed the obstacle to keep it from doing any more damage. And if we had a plug kit in our possession, we would go ahead and plug it, but we don't have one. Like stupid. I don't know. There's no excuse in not having a plug kit for the truck. So we're going to get up here to the Loves. We're about probably 8 miles from the Loves. And we're going to see what kind of time frame they got as far as fixing it. And then if it's too long, we'll buy a plug kit, plug it ourselves, and then get it fixed, patched later on down the road. Because I got 1,090 miles I got to cover between now and 8 o'clock Friday morning. It is 5 o'clock on a beautiful Wednesday. So time is of the essence. We need to run about 400 miles of it today, and it's going to be hard to get that done with doing this stuff. But anyway, so the tire pressure monitoring system, we're going to keep a close eye on it because it also tells us the temperatures of the tires, and we're going to keep a good eye on that temperature on that inside tire that's next to the one that's flat. Because if it gets too hot, she will pop in this extreme heat that we are having. So let's see, right there it says it is 116. The rest of them are about 114. So she's about two degrees. That's why the rest of them are 112. So we're about 4 degrees hotter than the rest of them. So we're just going to keep taking it easy. We don't want to get it too hot. and cause any more stress on it than necessary. So there you go, guys. That tire pressure monitoring system just paid for itself right there. Voila. Love it. It's a beautiful thing. See ya. Okay, so we found a Stinging Loves that does not have a tire shop. So we're going to try to fix it ourselves. First we got to find the hole. We went inside the store, bought this plug kit. So let's see if we cannot figure out. She's off the rim, dude. Crap. That right there saved the day. Come on, baby. I can't tell. Yeah, she's not. Well, I can put a ratchet strap around it. My ratchet straps, don't have hooks on them, so yeah, I can't. I see if I'd had a plug kit before she went all the way flat, we'd be in business, you know what I mean? Nothing I can do about it. Bad day. It's a bad day in the neighborhood. Alright, so we got our tire shop guy out here. We jacked it up, took it off the rim. We're gonna find it, patch it, plug it. Probably about $225 for that. So as if it wouldn't have been off the beat, I could have plugged it and probably saved her 200 bucks. You know, but it's best to patch it, you know. That's the best way to do it. This guy right here, he got the exact same thing. And he also was running 75 north. So apparently, somebody lost a box of bolts. So I picked one up. This guy behind me picked one up. And we tried to get this guy to give us a 2-for-1 deal, and he wouldn't do it. So they had to make 2 service calls to, so it's $85 a piece. Or $119, I can't remember what it was, but he should have gave us, he should have let us split it, but he said his boss wouldn't let him. So anyway, it is what it is. See, there's his boat, but his looks different, you know. So maybe it's not the same. Just kind of coincidence that we both ran 75 north. We both picked up a boat, you know. It's kind of a rare coincidence, right? We both picked up a boat, both picked up the same place. Yeah, they don't normally use towels. This guy's trying to take care of my wheel. So you gotta appreciate that, right? Beautiful. Now we just gotta get her to take some air. Very nice. They kept me from having to take all this right here off because I had to pull each one of these little caps off and pull that off and then take all it. It would have been a pain, man. So that right there is a quick, easy way to do it. And we got some carnage. We got carnage, man. It's the cost of doing business. She's a working trip. You're drinking Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings. Notice that step. You got that pep in the step. See, I couldn't get through that. Despicable. Alright, we got our tire fixed. And we gotta get out of here. We got 6 hours left on our 14. So we gotta go trucking, man. We got quite a ways to go. And we got to get out of here. Come on. Woo, doggies. So we gotta fight all this bloody traffic. Domino's gonna let us out? No way, Domino's. Dude, you're killing it, man. Buy that man some pizza there, Roger. I am like sweating like a stuck pig.
In 1,000 feet, take the US 75 North ramp on the left.
I probably stink like a drunken sailor.
In 900 feet.
So,
US 75
let's see what that cost us. That cost us $204. So there you go, 204 bucks. Much better than the alternative. You know, because that could have got real ugly, real fast. Had that tire blown. Took out mud flap hangers and blah, 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 you know. Our GPS is going to be freaking out because it doesn't know that we're not going.
US 75 North ramp on the left and merge onto US 75 North.
I can't do it. It's not there. So anyway, there's the update, guys. We're going to get out of here and get this baby on the road, get her wound up. We got the tire pressure sensor back on there. And she is reading, so we're good. So we will see y'all at the wall.
Alright, before you go, don't forget to tap the like button, share it, subscribe to it, tap the little bell. That way you get yourself a notification when the new videos come out. You don't want to miss this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Take it from me, the road man.